just about to start day 3. I'm now walking along Kirkcaldy Esplanade. Today I'll be taking the coast path to St Monans. It'll take about 22-23 miles, so I'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can keep those clouds behind me. It looks a bit bleak over there. But as I say, so I'll crack on. There's not much to see around here at the moment, so I'll be leaving Kirkcaldy shortly. And the first place I'll use Dysart. Hope I'm saying that right. So yeah, better get moving. Just come along past Head Beach. There's two options. If it's low tide, you can walk along the beach. For high tide, I think you have to walk up those stairs there along the main road. But fortunately today it looks like I'm going to be able to walk along the beach. So yeah, it's a lovely little bay this. See how it goes, see how far around I can get. But yeah, past Head Beach. We'll walk along the shore bit. Let's see. This is a nice part of the walk. Background there you can see Kirkcaldy. And I'm walking along the coast here. Probably left Kirkcaldy about 2 miles. And for the first mile it was along the Esplanade through the town. But yeah, this part's nice. People with dog walkers, I can see why. Lovely. just left Dysart. My next place I'm going to visit will be West Weems. Now, I've invested in a new pointer, so I'll try and point out where West Weems is. There, right in front. Should take about half an hour. Looks like it's about a mile away, maybe a bit longer. Well, that's my next stop. But Dysart was a lovely place, down by the harbour and that. Yeah, very nice. Couldn't ask for a better day. Well, it looks a bit cloudy. Looks like it's rain over there, but in front of me it looks okay. So I'll crack on anyway. Hopefully you miss out the rain. I've just arrived at West Weems. A lovely little harbour here. Nice. All the lobster pots, crab pots, or whatever they are. Oh, I'm going to walk through Weems anyway, so have a quick look what it's like. I've been going about 6.5 miles, and I've just reached East Weems. Yeah, looks a nice little place. Get out my pointer, because I think that over there is Buckhaven. Up there. And beyond Buckhaven is Methil, and then Leven. So, but I'll just get past here. There's a place called Macduff's Castle and Caves. So I'm going to stop there for something to eat and a drink. Just stop for a couple of minutes, be on my way, because it's been a lovely day for the weather. Couldn't ask better, but I think behind me there's a few storm clouds following me, so I don't want to hang around. So see what happens when I get there. I've just reached Buckhaven, and the path goes away from the coast at the moment, and I think the next mile and a half is road walking. First place I reach will be Methil, and then after Methil it's going to be Leven. So not going to be much of the video, I don't think, or not much chance to take photographs. So I'll see what it's like when I get to Leven. Well, I've done 8 miles. Time I get to Leven, it'll be 10.5, 11 miles. So I'll have a break then. As we're just leaving Leven, we're heading towards St Monans today. So it should take about 3.5 hours, roughly 11 miles. So the first place we're going to go to is Lower Largo. Next would be Ely or Li, or I don't know sure how you say it. And then it's back onto St Monans. I've left the car at Leven, so I'll just get the bus back from St Monans. Currently walking along Leven beach. Lovely beach, big. Yeah. There's a huge caravan park there on the side. Got a solitary oil rig over there. Busy today. Lot of walkers. Ideal place to take your dog though. The unfortunate thing about this beach is there's no soft sand. You've got rocks, hard sand when the tide's out. That's about it. Over there, I think, is Rudden's Point. Over there, which is what we're heading to. Probably have a little break when we get there. Roughly about 5 miles away. We just reached Lower Largo, just slightly away from the shore. But yeah, this is a lovely little place. It's been nice in the summer. Place there for you. Little drink. Oh, there's a little harbour. Yeah, have a quick walk down there. See what that's all about. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, it's not a harbour, it's just a river. Nice. Say in the summer, I reckon this will be pretty busy. Just left Lower Largo. That's it there ahead, as you can see. Our next point we're aiming for is just across the bay or the water there. A place called Rudden's Point. About two miles away. Wouldn't take as long to get there now, but it's been a lovely day for walking. It's busy, there's a lot of people out with the dogs, but yeah, ideal walking conditions.
I am just coming into St Monans. As I walk past St Monans Church, it marks a halfway point, 58 miles since I left Kirkcaldy. This part of the route from Leven to St Monans has been my favourite bit so far, as it's been almost entirely coastal path. It has also probably been the nicest part as I walked through some lovely villages such as Lower Largo, Ely and now St Monans. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for watching, and I hope my videos encourage you to put on your walking boots and venture out.